Alright, we're gonna be repacking a two-stroke silencer, and I'm gonna be using Moose Racing two-stroke silencer packing. So usually this is pretty messy, so you're gonna want like some rags on hand, you know, towels or something. Definitely some gloves because you're gonna be touching the fiberglass and it's probably gonna be covered in oil. So some other things are a wire brush and some electrical tape. So first thing you're going to want to do is start taking off your number plate. After you've done that, usually there's two bolts here and some have a bolt right here. So you're going to go ahead and take those off now. Mine, you only have to take off these two, but sometimes they do have a bolt down here. So. Sometimes the inside in here, there's a little square piece that you gotta hold. Sometimes they get a little stripped, so I'm gonna have to get some pliers or something on there. And just hold that. Should be good. I have to give her a little wiggle. Make sure you don't lose this piece right here. Okay. So you're gonna. Oh yeah, it's gonna be real messy. All right, so I want to take a rag and just kind of clean this off. Get all that oil off of there, clean it up, and now you're gonna want to take your gloves, put your gloves on, because it's about to get real messy. So put your gloves on, and for mine, I don't know as far as others go, but for mine, I got a Pro Circuit R304 Shorty, and so you're gonna want to take these off. These are Allen screws right there. So you're gonna want to go ahead and remove those. And there should be 3 of them, and just once you get those out, this core should slide right out, and we're gonna take that old packing off and see what it looks like. I don't know how long it's been since it's been repacked, because I haven't owned it since it's been repacked, so and more here. Alright, now you're just going to want to kind of twist and pull. Alright. And that core should just come right out. Here's your core. Set that down. Now, you're going to want to try to grab this packing all in one and not rip it up. So, get my rag out because it's getting pretty filthy, all full of oil and shit. So I'll kind of get in there and push it away from the wall. If you can, get your fingers in there and start pulling on it. It's going to want to pull apart on you. So it's a little difficult, but you just gotta kind of work it. And wear some shitty clothes, because this gets all over the place. Alright. There she is. This packing, surprisingly, isn't really too bad. Get my knife out real quick and cut that shit off and see what it looks like. Open it up. So, this packing's not great, but I've definitely seen way worse. So there's your old packing. Chuck that. And you're going to want to get your wire brush and just go over all these holes with the wire brush. Make sure none of them are closed up or restricted. Alright, that should be good. Take your rag, clean it up a little bit. Alright, you're gonna take your rag. Oh, I got a little bit of packing down in there still. That's alright. So, you're gonna want to take your rag, stuff it down in there, just clean that out, getting excess oil out of there. Kind of just twist it around, get it nice and clean. Good opportunity to check out your exhaust. Make sure it's not too restricted or nothing. There's no sludge buildup. If you want, take that wire brush, get in there, just twist it around. Alright. So, you're going to take your packing, open it up, take it out, and it's going to kind of be hard to do, but you want to stuff the packing down into that little lip right there. You want to get it down in there. It's a little difficult, but I'm gonna make it work. If you have to, just sit on your knee. Packing in there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure you get it all in there. Nice and neat. I'm kind of gonna step on that with my foot and hold it so it doesn't open up. I'm gonna grab my electrical tape, heat it up